So my topic is about crisis management and types of crisis. So the 5P crisis management model is envisioned to address crisis situation in adherence. So this model provides a structured approach to crisis management to help an organization to prepare and respond to recover from crisis effectively, and it consists a prediction to identify the potential risks and threats. Proactive phase. So number one is predict. So this stage involves foretelling of the likelihood of crisis, either natural occurring or man-made, through the continuous assessment of all possible threats and threat groups. So in this, crisis management predict refers to the ability to potential crisis or risk by predicting an organization that can take a proactive step to prevent their impact and ensuring preparedness and response. So strategic situation awareness, so it means generating foresight in a crisis management. So it enables an organization to quickly detect and understand emerging issues, and it allowing for swift response and effective crisis management. Strategic situation awareness, so it means generating foresight in a crisis management. It is strategically preventing crisis, because the goal of this is to respond quickly and effectively to minimize the crisis and stabilize the situation. Operational situation awareness, so the goal of this crisis is to provide the information for the agency department preparation and execution of contingency. Means in this phase is conducting organization can refine their crisis management strategies and improve their response to future crisis that helps the organization. So this operational situation awareness in crisis management is refers to have a clear understanding of the situation on the effective decision making. First is planning and direction, which is identify the courses of action with a specific information. Second is collection, which is gathering the information of the special collection methods. Third is processing, which is evaluating all the gathered information. Fourth is analysis production, which is answering the initial information. And last is dissemination, which is the final written analysis to support the information. So tactical situation awareness, so it is the systematic and continuous process of monitoring and identify threats shortly during the crisis. So this awareness is to describe the impact of the operating environment to identify the threats of crisis. Preparedness is essential for effective response. It entails planning, organization, training, and stockpiling of equipment and supplies needed for such crisis emergencies. So this is to test the effectiveness preparation to logistic to better cope with actual crisis emergencies. Prevention is a deliberate action that aims to avoid future harm by addressing its cause. So this crisis is closely related to mitigation, which is a potentially harmful incident but can be minimized by precautionary measures. Reactive phase. Performance is the actual implementation of contingency plans when a crisis occurs. Post-conflict phase. Post-action and assessment. So post-action is a component which begins with the crisis has been addressed and the situation is deemed clear.